Hi crafters, it's Hannah here from HanCrafted Creations. Welcome to this week's colour challenge. This is the card that I'm going to show you how to make today. It is using the Southern Serenade stamp set, which I am loving, even though I've hardly used it. It's really pretty. So I'm going to show you how I designed this and a couple of little tips on layering up images to get a more vibrant look. So if you want to comment with 3 numbers between 1 and 50, that will help me choose next week's colours. And if you enjoyed the video and you haven't already, then please consider subscribing, because I appreciate it very much if you do. So yeah, let's get started. Okay, I've got my random number generator here with numbers between 1 and 50, so we will see what we will get. The first number is 45, which gives us powder pink. Then, did I press it? Yeah, 46, which gives us 46. Soft sea foam. Okay, so powder pink and soft sea foam, and then lastly 38, which is Sahara sand. So we've got powder pink, soft sea foam and Sahara sand. I will go and grab those colours, and this week we're using the Southern Serenade stamp set, so we'll see how I can get those colours onto this stamp set. We'll see. So I'll grab them and then we can get started. Okay, I've got my colours. Southern Serenade, Sahara sand, powder pink and soft sea foam. And like I said, we're going to be using the Southern Serenade stamp set. So let me just move those up. And I've got a Sahara sand card base. Then a layer of soft sea foam, which I think goes really nicely with the Sahara sand, and then a layer on top that we're going to do our stamping on. So this one first. So I've made a little mask. We're using an oval die, so I'm just going to pop that down sort of in the middle, I think, and I need some washi tape just to hold that in place. Just grab some. Okay. So I'm just going to, whoops. Oh, come on. There we go. Hold the the oval in place, just like that. So I'm holding down the white cardstock as well as my mask. So I just want a little bit more. There. Just like that, and I'm not pressing it down too hard, because obviously I do have to peel this back up afterwards. So there we go. I'm going to take the powder pink and I'm going to ink that mask. So starting off the edge and working my way in. Until all of that is covered, not too heavy, and I'm just blending that out. There. So peel this up and we should have a nice oval in the middle. There. You're probably thinking, what the? Hannah, that's so squiff. What are you doing? They did squiff, but that's how I like it. Oh dear. Okay, so next I'm going to take this image and then that one, and now I'm not sure which of these two colours is going to be darker, so I'm going to do a little tester. That's not big enough because I want both of them like over top of each other, so I'm gonna check before I put it on my card to make sure that it's all gonna fit nicely. I'm just taking the stickers off because I just take them off now. Oh man, I haven't even used this stamp set. Oh my goodness. Let's get rid of all that gumph. Okay. So we can do a little tester and see which one we will see better. Right, black. That it fits. There we go. Right, now we're cooking. So I'm going to take both of these colours and thinking maybe this one, if I stamp it off and then stamp, that's very, very light. And then if I come in with this colour, the soft sea foam, will we see it? Oh yes we do. Awesome. Okay, so, and I'll use that as well. That looks really nice. So let's ink this one up, stamp it off, and then with the card straight and the stamp straight, I'm going to stamp right over that little area that we inked. That looks awesome. Oh, wicked, I love it. Okay, so now actually what I'm going to do is use my Stamparatus. Whoops, what the? Just so I can double stamp this. You don't have to at all, but I just feel like doing that. So let's position this like that, and then I'm going to ink that up with soft sea foam. See, you don't have to double stamp it at all. That looks awesome, but I am going to double up just because I can. Ah, see, and you can even go another to really intensify that colour. Awesome, I love it. How's that? So that's with one stamp, so you can see it's very, very delicate, and then that's with 3. So both of them I love. That one just a little bit more. So let me clean my stamp. I'm just using the chamois, so you just wipe it over. If you haven't seen this thing, it's awesome. So good. Okay, so let me put that guy away. Oops, magnet back. Okay, so this is the one I'm going to use for this card. That one I'm going to save and use on another card. Right, so we've got this and this. Now we need a sentiment. So what have we got? I'm so blessed to call you my friend. I love that sentiment. That's really, really nice. So that's what we're going to use. Scraps. I don't have any scraps. Let me just go and grab. So I changed my mind. I'm actually going to stamp it straight on there. But I'm going to use my stamparatus. So let's pop that into place and just make sure I've got it the right way up. I'm so blessed. Yep, I'm going to pop it down that corner and use the Sahara sand. And then I can double stamp. Again, you don't have to, it looks fine as it is, but just to intensify a little bit more, which I keep doing lately on cards. I really like the fact that I can do that. Let's just, ah, look, see, that stands out so much. And while I've got it here, let's bring this one in and do it about there. May as well, seeing as I've got the tool ready. And that one I'm just going to stamp it once. So again, you can see the difference. That one's triple stamped. Oh, there we go. And then that one's just once. So same ink, same image, but a different look because of stacking up those the stamps, stamping it more than once even. Okay. Right. Pop that back. Okay, so I think I'm happy with that now. We can layer it all up. And that layer is going on the soft sea foam. And then onto our Sahara sand card base. There. And for the inside, I'm going to grab a layer. And what should we stamp? A little bit of the flower, I think. And we'll do it in the powder pink. Just pop that underneath. And we'll just stamp that there. Awesome. So close all these up, and then on the envelope I would stamp the same thing, but I will do that afterwards. Just pop this inside. And we are done. So I hope that you have enjoyed this week's colour challenge. So remember that you can get a different look by using more ink, even though it's the same stamps and the same ink. So I hope that you've enjoyed this video, and if you do, then don't forget to subscribe and share it. That would be very much appreciated. So I'll see you all next time. Bye.